Good evening, students, and welcome to my next video on Total English. In this video, I'll be discussing the answers of Unit 5, answers of the grammar exercises in Unit 5 of Total English, Class 12, latest edition. So let's start with the exercise given on page 75. This is the first exercise in grammar and states fill in the blanks with the correct tense of the verb given in the brackets. The first one. Roger studied hard so that he might succeed. The second one, the judge declared that the thief was guilty. You have to use the correct form of the verb be. The teacher explained that the sun rises in the east. I waited for him until he came. Newton discovered that the force of gravity makes the apple fall. I believe that God is everywhere. He ran so fast that I could not overtake him. The witness affirms that the accused is not guilty. Wherever there is coal, you find iron. He carried roses whenever he visited her grave. 11th one, she informed me that she always speaks the truth. A great city once stood where now lies the village. 13th one, he finished first though he began late. The teacher thought he would fail. 15th one, he was careful lest he should forget his ticket. Sudha bore him no ill will. The child was bitten by a stray dog. All my friends enjoyed themselves at my birthday party. The government will review the new policy later in the year. The cyclone storm tore the roof off. Moving ahead to the next assignment on page 82. An industrialist has set up a factory in this village. Let us set aside all formalities. Third one, my sister and I take after our father. A new secretary will take over the charge. When she heard the news of her aunt's death, she broke down. After a quarrel, Jussie broke up with Tom. Seventh one, do you have any complaint against him? My mother has been complaining of nagging headache. They did away with the old custom. I cannot do without the help of my assistant. 11th one, the Prime Minister gave away the prizes at the function. 12th one, he gave up smoking. 13th one, he could hardly keep in her indignation. 14th, keep on trying hard until you succeed. 15th, a dacoit entered the bank and asked the cashier to hand over the money. 16th, you have to hand in the project by 8:30 tomorrow morning. We should not look down upon the poor. He is looking for a job. I can't put off this work any longer. She put out the lamp before going to bed. With this, we come to the end of this exercise. Now moving ahead to the specimen paper, question 3A of specimen paper 5. That is on page 84 of your books. The first sentence, it is a pity that I did not take my doctor's advice. You have to start the sentence with I wish. So, I wish I had taken my doctor's advice. The train journey from Delhi to Kochi takes 2 days. The answer is, it is a 2-day journey from Delhi to Kochi. Full stop. Third one, come what may, we will have the match tomorrow. The answer is, whatever may happen, we will have the match tomorrow. Fourth one, she put the keys in her purse so as not to forget them. The answer is, she put the keys in her purse lest she should forget them. He is successful in business, but he is not helpful. The answer is, despite being successful in business, comma, he is not helpful. Full stop. Moving ahead to part B of question 3, fill in each blank with a suitable word. The first one, the rainy season has set in. The Supreme Court has set aside the decree of the High Court. The Supreme Court has set aside the decree of the High Court. Excuse me. My father is engaged in a printing press. My sister is engaged to a pilot. Fifth one, he is quite hopeful of success. Sixth, let us hope for success. Seventh, he is liable to expulsion from the club. I am liable for the debts incurred by my father. Ninth, he is not cut out for a job of this kind. The prince was cut off in the prime of his life. Moving ahead to part C of this question, fill in the blanks in the passage given below with the appropriate form of verb given in brackets. Do not write the passage, but write the verbs in the correct order. Led by a group called the Youth for Climate India, the students celebrated. The answer to the first one is celebrated. The Valentine's Day in a unique way. Be my Valentine, they said to the plants and the trees and bees and bugs. They carrot. The answer to the second one is carrot. A big floral heart and went round Lodi garden professing. The answer to the third blank is professing their love for nature. The students are part of Fridays for Future, a movement initiated last year by Swedish green warrior Greta Thunberg. To protest. The answer to the fifth one is to protest against government and business inaction on climate change. We are living. The answer to the sixth blank is are living in a time when temperatures are soaring. Sea levels are rising. Emissions are escalating. Answer to the eighth blank is are escalating. And we are moving very fast towards what is being called as the sixth mass extinction. As a climate action group, we believe that we must stop seeing. The answer to the ninth blank is seeing the natural world as a commodity and start seeing it as we see a family member, something to love, protect, care for, and cherish. With this, we come to the end of this video. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.